Okay guys, so today I'm going to teach you how to make your own ringtone. So go to ringtone maker. Okay. Okay, I already made mine, which is I just named it Dandy's World. I don't know if it is. I don't know if it's Dandy's World. So then you got to go to GarageBand. So I'm gonna create my song. Go to audio recorder and just go. Make sure you're in tracks view. Okay. Now all you have to do is go here. Okay, I'm just gonna disable. Okay, then. Okay, wait. Okay. So I'm gonna go to so photos. Okay, so I have to save this to files, I think. Okay, add to files. There. Now you go to GarageBand. Now go to files, browse from the files app. Now go to ringtone maker, audio 7 items. You get the one you named. Okay, wait. So now you hold click and then click copy. And then you go here. You'll see this one. Just disable it. And now click. You'll see paste. And then click allow paste. And now I saved it, and then now I click it and click share and put it tap to create a custom ringtone for your iPad. Click it and then click it and then just name it whatever you like. Dandy's World because I'm a fan. Now export it. Okay, when it says ringtone export successful, okay. Now, all you have to do is go to settings. Okay, now go to sounds and haptics if it's okay. So you see this because I already made it. Okay, so I click Dandy's World because I like it. There we go, and that's it. Thanks for watching.